ginger coffee light, morning sun and lazy flight. In this jazzy cozy place, finding solace in your face. Rhythm swaying soft and slow, breathe in warm breezes with the flow. Mellow tunes caress the air, lost in moments free from care. Cafe ginger whispers low, where the gentle breezes blow. In the cozy world we find peace and joy in every line. Dance of flavors rich and bright, harmonize like day and night. Curl my fingers round the cup as the daylight season up. Golden light begins to fade as we linger in the shade. Softly stirring dreams awake in the warmth that we both make. Cafe ginger whispers low, where the gentle breezes blow. In the cozy world we find peace and joy in every line.
Walking slow down city streets, smiles from strangers can't be beat. Sunlight dances on concrete, grateful hearts in rhythm sweet. Every step a gift I hold in this urban heart of gold. Echoes of 1,000 feet, harmonizing in heartbeat. Buildings stand like silent guards, harmony in boulevard. Window shoppers linger near, gratitude in atmosphere. Every step a gift I hold in this urban heart of gold. Echoes of 1,000 feet, harmonizing in heartbeat. Buildings stand like silent guards, harmony in boulevard. Window shoppers linger near, gratitude in atmosphere. Every step a gift I hold in this urban heart of gold. In this urban heart of echoes of 1,000 feet, harmonizing in heartbeat, heartbeat. Traffic hums a gentle song. In this city I belong. Birds above me glide with ease, city's whispers in the breeze. Every step a gift I hold in this urban heart of gold. In this urban heart goes of 1,000 feet, harmonizing in heartbeat, heartbeat.